Number here's my email. I've been paid on April 8th. I look on the bottom of the screen on the right corner. It is April 8th. It's legit. I was sleeping when I got this and I woke up to this. I like to wake up to many more of these, and you can too if you get started. Hey, how's it going? Style Versatile coming to you today, and I want to share with you how to get paid through Powerlead System. Simply as you see here, this is the portal for Paylution, where Powerlead System, the company, has teamed up to allow us to get paid via direct deposit. Now, keep in mind when you go to my website, you're going to come across join newsletter or other promotions. And everything that I have as an opt-in, meaning you have to put your name, email to receive the information, simply really is going through Powerlead System, the company. And to receive that, I've pretty much created a link on both of my websites, styleversatile.com or facechapter.com. You see affiliates right here. You're going to read the affiliations. Feel free to read the detail on that. And I've created a link here, the pay plan for Powerlead System, or right here, .system. You click this or this, it's going to take you through this video that I'm educating you about.
In just a second, I'll be revealing the huge earning potential for marketing this in-demand product, but I just have a quick question for you. Have you ever heard of the term 100% commissions? Well, it's a popular compensation model usually accomplished by having a certain percentage of your sales rolling up to someone else. Roll-up sales are also known as pass-ups, and they do something very important that most people don't realize. In traditional compensation plans, any geometrical growth is usually happening straight down, oftentimes right out of your pay zone, so you don't make any money. But what roll-up sales do is it forces geometrical growth wide instead of down, allowing the potential for enormous incomes to be generated very quickly. Accelerated leverage takes full advantage of this by increasing the frequency in which roll-ups are happening. To put this simply, with accelerated leverage, you've got more sales rolling up more often, creating a true viral affiliate program. So ask yourself, would you rather make 100% commissions or make more money? You see, they don't pay the entire commission to just one person. Instead, there's an awesome twist, which I'll be revealing to you at the end of this video. So let's talk about the money. First of all, you'll make $20 per month for every sale that falls on your front line. I like to call this your pay line. And it just so happens that your first sale falls on your front line. So even from sale 1, you're making a $20 monthly commission. Your second sale rolls up. Your third sale once again falls directly on your front line, and at this point you're earning $40 per month. Your fourth sale rolls up. Your fifth sale goes to your front line again, paying you yet another $20 monthly commission. So do you see the pattern here? All of your odd number sales are going to your front line, paying you $20 per month each, while all of your even number sales are rolling up. Now let's stop there for a second and see how this simple pattern can explode the growth of your business. Suppose all you did was just refer one person. Let's call this person Mark. As Mark starts making sales, his even numbered sales all roll to your pay line. In other words, his second, his fourth, sixth, eighth, and 10th sale all roll up to your pay line. And you're making $20 a month on all of them. Take a look at what just happened. You just had 5 new sales roll up to your pay line thanks to Mark. You'll now be receiving every other sale from these 5 new people. These 5 can turn into 25, and those 25 can turn into 125, and this process never stops, creating an infinite earning potential which can all start simply by you referring just one person. But why would you stop there? The more sales you make, the faster your payline can grow. And speaking of referring more sales, how would you like to keep a lot more of your sales frontline, including odd and even? Well, all it takes is just 5 roll-ups. That's it. Once you've rolled up 5, you keep your next 4 sales directly to your front line, paying you $20 per month each. In fact, you'll continue to keep 4 sales front line out of every 5 sales you make for the life of your business. Now you might be saying to yourself, this all sounds great, but I really don't want to lose any people. Well, hold on, because here's the twist. You see, you're never going to lose anybody. Because with accelerated leverage, you're going to make a 50% matching bonus on the entire pay line of all your roll-ups. Now, did you get that? Let me help you visualize just how powerful this really is. Suppose you sponsor me, and I was one of your roll-ups. And let's say my pay line grew to 50 people. At $20 per month per person, I'd be making $1,000 per month. But since you sponsor me and I rolled up, you'll make a 50% matching bonus. In other words, that's $500 in monthly residual income that you'd be making from my entire pay line. Now at this point, you should be realizing how powerful accelerated leverage really is. And it's about to get even better. You know that matching bonus I just told you about? What if you were able to make the same 50% match on more sales than just your roll-ups? Well, get ready for this amazing twist, because with accelerated leverage, you'll be making a 50% matching bonus on the entire pay line of every sale you ever make. Now don't worry, if you don't quite understand how all this works, our powerful software does. And it doesn't make mistakes. In fact, it'll track all of this for you with 100% accuracy. And coming soon, we're going to be releasing one of the most amazing training packages ever released in this industry. This premier level package will provide the opportunity for 5 times the money for anyone wishing to market it. And here's something that really does excite me, because this program is open worldwide. You can make money with this program no matter where you live in the world. Use your computer, use your smartphone app to transfer all the monies to your bank or directly to your Visa pay card. Everything starts with your free trial, so all you have to do is just get started. Just click on the button below that says Start Your Free Trial and start profiting with the world's most powerful marketing system, the Power Lead System. Make the decision and get started right now.
Here you are. Once you get started your free trial, you will have the ability to put your username and password in. Go ahead and do that. And once you're in your back office, you can save your password or not. And then there's a Facebook group that you can join that's official. Feel free to do that. That's a good resource where you see training weekly, and you can reach out to others that are well-versed perhaps. And once you log in here, you can see right there I've been paid $131.05 in my recent payouts. I'm going to cash out. You click here, you want to start your account through Paylution for the first time. Right next to that affiliate ID, right there to the right of where I highlighted it, is what you'll need to activate your Paylution account. It's pretty simple. You just follow the steps it suggests. On the bottom here, activate accounts, but right here you put that number there or your email if you want to log in. If you forget your email, you can hit the forget your password and reset it, which I've done several times, so don't feel bad if you do it too. As you can see, you can reset your password. I've reset it already. I put my email in this time, and the password I just reset it to. You will need a verification answer to your secret question. security question, I should say. And I'm pausing this so you don't know it. Once you get it in, you're good. You're inside. And you can see my US dollar amount. Now this could be any other amount in whatever country you're from. There's over 130 countries, I believe, Powerlease system is available. Anywhere with the internet, as far as I can tell. And you can check out your transaction history if you like. See where the money's coming from as far as the amount that you're cashing out. I've cashed out a few times already. Or those are the amounts I'm getting paid actually. And the amounts can surge depending on how many people you help share this information towards and help them get started. And if they see the value of being an entrepreneur and just instead of an employee, well, this is a tool to you to definitely be an entrepreneur and sharing a tool that people can use to build their brand or business. And then you select where you want to get cashed out. I'll put it on my company business because this is what I use it for as a tool. And then select the amount, 131, but I get a nickel more if I click the bottom because that's going to max out and it'll be a $1 service charge, which is not too shabby because Lyft and Uber charges 50 cents per transaction pull out. That's instantly. But this one is 1 to 3 days and you'll get your money into your direct deposit. So be a little patient, but hey, you made money while you're sleeping. Can't really complain. I didn't trade my hours for dollars for this. This is just sharing this tool with people. And you can too. See that 1 to 3 business days, you will get your income directly deposited. So today's Wednesday, it'll come out like Friday, if not Saturday. My name is Style Versatile. Evolve your best essence. Become an entrepreneur by being a part of the Limitless Ninjas community. And click around on my website, facechapter.com, affiliations, and look for the new affiliations I will promote and show videos about. And I'll encourage you to do something of the similar taste, a duplication. And that's how you build an online empire. Alright, well that's my time. Limitless Ninja Style Versatile. Welcome you to the fold. Be sure to launch into autocracy if you like. That's self-sufficiency of your own economic nation. And you can do that more than ever online these days. Take care in charge. Goodbye for now. Style signing out. One love.